Hey guys, it's Misso here, and we're out of town, and I'm gonna go to another gymnastics and practice some gymnastics there because I have a meet tomorrow.
Okay, try it again. Ready, go. Do a forward roll. Do a back walk over. Do another back walk over. Do a round off. Do a round off back handspring. Ready, set, go. Do a round off back handspring. Oh, that was standing back tuck. Oh yeah, you're way high enough. Okay. Oh yeah, you have it.
Just finished open gym, and I did my standing back tuck on the ground. Alright, so I did my round off back handspring, but I didn't do my back tuck, but that's okay. Because I did a back tuck by itself standing on the floor, and I was pretty excited about that. All of my other events were nines is what they told me. My floor, I think I might get like an 8, maybe a 9. But I'm still nervous about the meet and my round off back handspring back tuck. So yeah, bye chickens and cupcakes. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Ding ding ding.